Today's network operators are always looking for ways to stretch budgets and lower the operational costs of their network. Have a part of your network that has a lot of switch-to-switch or switch-to-server connections and want to reduce the cost of those connections and drastically lower power consumption per port? Champion One direct attach cables, or DACs, fill the need for lower cost, short-run connectivity and provide a power-efficient, low-latency, and cost-effective replacement to optical transceivers. DACs offer a connector-to-connector fixed-length solution, leaving out the expensive lasers and other electronic components associated with traditional optical transceivers, providing significant cost and power savings for your short-reach applications. Fully compliant with defined industry standards for EEPROM and memory map to ensure proper system identification and interoperability, Champion One DACs are available in passive and active versions and offer speeds of 10G, 25G, all the way up to 400G in industry standard form factors. SFP+, SFP28, QSFP+, QSFP+ breakout, QSFP56, QSFP28, QSFP28 breakout, and QSFP-DD. Our cables are 100% programmed and tested by experts in our extensive in-house lab to guarantee compatibility in your network environment. We offer a wide range of TAA-compliant DACs as well, ideal for federal government networks. Need guaranteed compatibility when connecting between two different equipment manufacturers? No problem. Champion One has developed thousands of standard and custom programming configurations for multi-vendor compatibility that can be ordered and delivered very quickly. So if you need to connect, say, a Cisco switch to an Intel network interface card, or a Juniper switch to a HP server, or any other combination, we've got you covered. For more information on our complete line of direct attach cables, call your Champion One fiber optic connectivity expert today at 216-584-9807.